Hi friends, today I will briefly share my experience about the online course of WIPO DL 101. The course is basically the general course on intellectual property rights. So how you have to follow this course is you have to register first in the website of WIPO, which is generally in the month of June or July, and after registering, the WIPO committee gives you various modules on patent, copyright, trademark, geographical indications, industrial design, and protection against some unfair competitions. So these are the modules based, like chapter wise they give you a brief discussion on what you have to learn, what type of questions comes in the exam. Now basically I will talk about the course structure. The course structure is basically a very interesting way where after a particular concept you have various self-assessment question section where you have to analyze whether what you have learned you are applying it to the real practical examples or not. Finally, going into the online exam schedule, you have an online exam of 3 hours where you are provided with I think 60 or 70 questions. But the questions basically is a blended mixture of some direct questions and some indirect question, which is basically the most challenging one, the indirect section, where you will get various questions like for example, I am saying you a question like if a scientist from our field, like if a scientist develops a diagnostic kit for early detection of oligomers in the blood. So what should be the first step if he discovered this diagnostic kit? So what should be his first step to prevent his innovation? So there will be questions based on completely practical experience. And second, there are many questions based on design, like a company designs a bottle of a particular shape, so another company cannot use the same design of a bottle. So there are questions which are related to day-to-day life. So I believe that DL 101 course will teach you about the basics of intellectual property rights, all about patenting, copyright, trademark, and unfair competition in the market. I have told regarding the course, and this is the certificate which WIPO actually provides you after you complete the course, after you give the online examination and you score a qualifying marks above 50%. You get the course from you get the certificate from WIPO Intellectual Property Organization Geneva, and saying that you have successfully completed the general course on the intellectual property. And I strongly urge you to please register for this WIPO DL 101 course.